So Kerala strikers, they are under immense pressure here. They are up against a huge, mammoth total put up by Karnataka Bulldozers, 247. It looks impossible at this stage for the strikers, but at least they can give it a best shot. And they need to try and improve on their net run rate, and that will help them to remain in contention in case the last semi-final spot, if I'm not wrong, is decided on the net run rate. They're giving away loads of runs here, so now they should try and at least get as close as possible to the target.
Yes, you're right. The run rate has taken a beating. Beg your pardon, the net run rate has taken a beating after conceding 247 runs. She will be hoping that her sides put up a good show when they're batting. Well, they are appealing for it and negated by the umpire.
It's so strange, once the DRS is in place, that the bowler and the keeper, after appealing, if they're not too sure, they don't go for a DRS. So it just goes to show that if you have technology in place, most of these appeals would turn out to be fake. Sudeep, the wicketkeeper, the captain, he's excited. His side has done a great job so far in the first part of this game.
We didn't see any kind of swing when the Kerala strikers were bowling, but in this short stint, 1.3 overs of Karnataka, we have seen the ball swing appreciably. No conviction in that appeal. That didn't move at all, and that didn't meant to be moved. It's been a good over so far. We've seen some deliveries which have swung, also a little bit of variation. It's been a good over so far by Dhruv.
So after 2, it remains at 5 for 1.